face the dais now. Give the signal. It is a score. He has given us in preparation for these championships. Sir, we began these championships early enough to... The CBE host, Mr. Nyakundi, and other. Allow me now to welcome the host principal, Mr. Chege, as they prepare to give finally for the East Africa Games.
We are Rift Valley, the national champions in Term 1, and again, this time to be the national champions in Term 2. We have prepared well for these games, and what we tell the young people is that the field is now yours after this. As a hosting entity, we have lined for you the best facilities, as you have seen, and well-coordinated match officials or the referees, who have been told from the onset that fairness is what is expected in our games. So enjoy being here.
This is not just extra, this is core curriculum. So it is part and parcel of what we are teaching in class. You excel here, you excel in core curricula. It is all part of one curriculum, and that is the focus of the CBC. We have the pathways, the talent pathways, and this is it. And again, the appeal has been made here. This should not be the end. The end of this talent should not just be a display of talent and then it ends at competition level. We want to see it progressing to the next levels, and the government is already addressing that issues through development of talent academies and so on.
And therefore, in that mix ya ukorwo kwina games igukorwo igithakirwo ma area-inĩ icio citũ nĩ njĩra ĩmwe ya kũrehe ũkũria itũra-inĩ ritũ, ona njĩra ĩmwe ona ya kũgocithia na kũgathĩrĩria thayũ thĩinĩ wa matũra maya maitũ.